What is up? What is up? All right, so I'm here in Tampa, Florida. Came to an event for Rafael Vargas, the Real Empire event. So far, so good. He has a really dope ass business. He has some systems and stuff dialed in that I've never seen before for this kind of business. The way they track their numbers, their marketing, their mail pieces, their cold calling, the text blasts, everything is it's very, very above average to say the least. But anyways, and he's a super cool dude. But anyways, leads me into this video of why it's so important to be a good leader and how to always train for this. And I'm going to give you steps to do, and also why it's important to learn different things and how that helps your leadership abilities. Even if you're a one-man show, you have to learn to be a leader for yourself. Remember, if you're trying to start a company and you're one person right now, it doesn't mean it's not a company. So you're technically an employee to yourself right now. So you always got to think about business that way. And if you're not being a leader and you're the leader of that company because it's just you, then you're doing something wrong. So let me go into the leadership thing. What is the leadership thing? That is you gotta have a grip on things. You don't have to be in the middle of in the middle of everything. But the most important stuff is you have to be okay with doing everything, showing people how to do everything, and then moving on, and then being respected, and then being the guy that people are like, yo, he knows what he's talking about. You can't bullshit him. I don't know if you've seen the show Undercover Boss. That show always amazes me how these CEOs that get paid $10 million a year don't know how the things work in their company. Granted, there's fucking millions of procedures and thousands of people that can't know every role, but there's a lot of key roles I've seen that they have no idea how it works. It's crazy. But anyways, being a leader is doing the shit, making sure your team knows how to do this stuff, and helping them figure it out. Instead of telling them what to do, it's better that you ask them hey, how would you do it? So for instance, in my business, often we do a 5-minute call every day, and let's say one of our goals was to send a certain amount of offers. You gotta send 5 offers today, let's say, and our acquisitions guy send 3. Instead of telling him, hey, send 5, I'll say, hey man, how are you gonna get to 5? And he'll answer me. And now that's being a leader. Why? Because I'm not solving the problem. I want him to solve the problem. Oh, well, maybe I can dig into some old leads. Okay, cool. So can I count you to do it tomorrow? Yeah. Do you know how to dig into the old leads? Well, does it? Yeah, you have to click that button, that button. Have you done that before? You want me to help you? No, I got it. Okay, cool. So tomorrow I can count on you for 5? Awesome, cool. Leadership, okay? Let them figure shit out. Number 2, learning. Coming to events, reading, all that stuff, all the shit you hear. But more importantly, if you want to be a leader and you want to make a lot of money and you want to have a great business, you got to just be around the people, and then you got to take this information that you learn here, you learn from other people, and you go and you implement it into your own team, into your own life. For example, let's say I learned how to do RVM blast differently here. Say, guys, this is what I learned. It's working really, really well for him. What do you guys think about it? Oh, well, if it's working, awesome. How about this? Let's try it. I'm gonna help you figure it out right now, and then let's make videos. Let's figure out how to do this together. Maybe we can outsource some of it. Does that sound good, guys? Yeah. Look, let's try this out for 6 months. Let's see if it works as well as they say. And if it gets results, that'll be fucking awesome. We'll all make some more money. Sound cool? That's leadership. So you're getting your knowledge and putting it into your team, and you're leading them in the right direction. Yeah, my arm hurts. So yeah, guys, I just want to make a quick video on that. Now we're here, Tampa. So I'm gonna go to dinner with a couple people I met from the event, and kind of just go from there. Anyways, guys, peace. Subscribe, like this shit, and see you guys on the next one.